Well, when you have a case of the hiccups that just won't go away, do you hold your breath, drink water, or have someone try to scare them out of you? Well, in this week's First with Kids, Dr. Lewis First has some proven methods to get rid of hiccups.
Parents have been airing out their concerns recently on the frequent episodes of hiccups their children seem to have. Well, let me see if I can't stop some of their concerns, as well as the hiccups, with some information on this topic. Hiccups happen when the diaphragm, the muscle used in breathing that sits on top of the stomach, tightens or spasms up. This can happen when the stomach gets bigger in the act of swallowing air, as a baby will do, or when an older child drinks too much soda or eats too fast. The good news is that while hiccups can be irritating, they're harmless and usually don't last very long. As to treatments, while there's no universal remedy for hiccups, there are a few to consider and many that usually don't work. For example, scaring your child or having them hold their breath while they count to 10 may not always get the job done. Pinching the nose while drinking water has also been thought to work, but has never been scientifically proven. The method actually proven in a clinical trial involves giving your child a teaspoon of sugar to swallow fast, repeating it up to 3 times once every 2 minutes. Other methods reported in various articles to stop hiccups include pushing down on the back of your child's tongue with a spoon handle, but not pushing way back in the mouth to cause gagging. Babies may just stop by giving them a swallow of water, and older children a glass of water, but they need to drink from the far side of the glass. Lying down can also stop hiccups by relaxing the stomach wall and, in turn, the diaphragm. In fact, I'm sure there are remedies all of you use that work just as well. When do we worry about hiccups? In the rare circumstance that the hiccups last longer than 3 hours, are associated with stomach pain and vomiting, or occur after taking a prescription medication, then talk to your child's healthcare professional, who might suggest other treatments and/or medication to stop those hiccups. Hopefully, quick tricks like this will take care of the hiccups the next time you're worried about this really harmless problem. This is pediatrician Dr. Lewis First from the University of Vermont Children's Hospital, reminding you to always be first with your kids.
Dr. First is the best. If you have a question for him, you can just send him an email. The address is firstwithkids@mynbc5.com.
Teaspoon of sugar. Who knew?